Let's watch
Kind of an
TikTok
idiot puts
shorts.
a plastic
Good
bag
idea,
in a garbage
Fiery.
disposal.
Okay, Brick.
This is the cream.
If you have
Oh, not
Just another weak earthquake, not even
Fiery,
worth getting up
stop
for.
saying nitrogen
Alright, I should
oxide.
probably start working on that project.
I could be watching. Yes, Fiery. I don't want to do it. What's happened? I don't know. And this is me.
Well,
Huh?
I can keep watching videos. I worked enough
oh my
already.
God. So, what is the purple background?
Well, I'm basically on the very edge of the earthquake zone. Nothing to worry about for me.
What is that yellow?
Damn, what the hell was that? I need to find out ASAP if the earthquake reached my girlfriend. She lives nearby. Gonna check the news.
I can't be those boats.
Shit,
Huh?
looks like it
What's
was
that?
really bad.
I don't know.
Glad
I
it's
can
over
see.
now. I bet the university will be closed tomorrow. I'm gonna go grab a beer.
Oh no, nitrogen oxide.
Damn it! Everything's shaking way too hard now. What do I do? Where are my keys? Where the hell are they? Fuck! They're nowhere to be found. Guess I'll at least write a note to my
Oh my gosh,
family.
oh my gosh, the glitches. Stop the glitches. Stop
I
it.
love you all.
Stop
It's
it.
my own
Oh,
fault I'll be
stop it
trapped
now.
under the rubble. I should have followed the instructions.
Oh my gosh,
I'm sorry.
stop the glitches. Oh, hey. You back?